Okay, now I'm going to disassemble the drivetrain. So I'm going to remove the axle itself, which I don't use. And then on the motor, there are 3 screws to hold the motor itself on. I don't use any of this hardware, so I don't mind just dropping it where it is. There's a third one that is behind the chain, and that's only because there's a tensioner there, but you can just move it. And it drops free. And comes right off. And there's the Alright. So what I have is the motor itself, and it's already got the gear head on it, it's already got the connections on it, and the rest of the drivetrain, which is the wheel, and that one's in pretty good shape. It also has an axle that I don't actually use, but it just comes out and it's like a giant fidget spinner. And it already has the gear head on it, and they're matched up with a chain with a certain amount of links. I'm not sure if this is the same amount of links as what I need, but that's okay because I have I can reuse the chain from what I have on there, but the number of teeth on there and there are the same. The reason that sometimes they're a different length is because on the original ones they didn't use a tensioner to keep the chain tight, and now they do, and so it changed the teeth number, but it's no big deal. So I'm going to set these aside. I may use them later, but this is all I'm interested in.